Today we're getting organized with the help of our new hat rack and shelf. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your hardware, 2 strong metal hanging rods, 12 durable S-hooks, 12 hanging clamps, and your rustic style wooden shelf. All you will need to install is a drill. First, flip over your wooden shelf and grab one of the metal rods. Lie the metal rod along the bottom of the wooden shelf and bolt that down. There's no guide holes, so use your best judgment as to where you want it. After that's secured down, figure out where you're going to install your shelf. It measures in at 16.5 by 4.8 inches. So give yourself plenty of room and bolt that down using the provided screws. And once that's kitty approved, it's time for the second metal rod. Give yourself enough room for hanging hooks and clamps. And then bolt down the second metal rod. After that's locked down, you can organize your S-hooks and clamps however you want. I have a few hats, but I have a lot more sunglasses. I'm always losing them and breaking them from bad storage. So I'm going to be using this hat rack to organize all my glasses and have a safe place to store them. I hung up a couple hats, and I used the nice shelf with edge to store some valuables. The edge keeps things from getting knocked off and keeps them out of the way so they won't get damaged. I even found a use for the little clamps and put some emergency Tylenol for those rough days. Now all my glasses are organized and my office is looking better than ever. Eventually, I want everything to have a designated place in my office. And I'm slowly getting there with the help of nice shelves and organizers like this. The clamps hold strong and the S-hooks are super convenient. I love the design and it's been so useful. So if you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, my office is organized now, so I'm gonna go relax. See ya.